A decentralized network of 3D gun printing advocates has mobilized online. Using digital platforms like Signal, Twitter, IRC, and Discord, they critique each other's work, exchange CAD files, and talk theory. Wired UK reportedly spoke with one of the group's de facto figureheads who goes by the name Ivan the Troll. He's a college-aged kid from Illinois. Ivan says he knows of at least 100 people who are actively developing 3D printed gun technology and claims thousands are taking part in the network. The group uploads CAD files to different media hosting services which are underpinned by blockchain. Ivan claims their group's AR-15 model is far superior to anything in the public domain. The Undetectable Firearms Act makes it illegal to manufacture any firearm that can't be detected by a metal detector. However, 3D gun designs like the Liberator requires a metal plate in the body portion of the finished piece. Wired UK simply says the cat's out of the bag. There's no way to stop the anonymous file sharing of 3D printed guns online. The world is getting weird. Perspective is encouraged.